In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to download, install, and set up Webroot Total Protection on your Mac to help safeguard your system from online threats. After your order is confirmed, you'll be directed to the My Account page, where you can click Set Password to create your new password. You can also set your password using a confirmation email that will be sent to you after your purchase. The home page of the My Account portal opens after your password is set. Click the Downloads and Features option in the navigation section. On the Downloads and Features page, click Get the App next to Webroot Total Protection to begin the download. A Webroot Total Protection pop-up will appear. Select Mac as your device and click Download. After the download is complete, copy the key code shown in the pop-up for the next steps. Then, run the installation file you downloaded to launch the Webroot Total Protection setup. Enter the key code you copied in the required field, and then click the Next button to continue the setup process. In the next step, the Webroot Total Protection application will ask for Full Disk Access, or FDA, to scan for viruses. To enable FDA, click Open System Settings to go to the System Settings page on your computer. Next, click the plus button below the list of apps. Find Webroot Total Protection in the Applications folder and click Open. Toggle the switch next to Webroot Total Protection to enable full disk access, and click the Quit and Reopen button. Finally, click Finish on the FDA page to complete the setup. After the app is installed and set up, the initial scan will begin. Once the scan is complete, a Scan Complete message will appear if no malware is detected. If malware is found, it will be identified and auto-quarantined, and a Threat Detected message will appear. To make sure that Webroot Total Protection is installed correctly, check for its icon in your computer system tray, Applications folder, or Activity Monitor. Thank you for watching.